Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again today. Today I'm going to make Shinwari tikka. So here I've got the seeks, and I've got the meat. So I've got a mutton leg meat which is mixed, and I've got the buck chops, small buck chops. Okay, so this is very simple to make and very easy to make. All you do is you put your meat into the seeks like so, and you put a salt on it. That's all you do. You do not put any masala, any peppers, anything. You don't put nothing on there. Okay, so I'm only doing 2 seeks with just salt, and the rest is gonna have some masala because my kids, they don't like it so plain. So this is the actual original tikka. So that's my tikka, Shinwari tikka, and this one here is my family wala tikka with masalas and stuff. Like, see, I'm getting the fire ready for the barbecue. Okay, so that's 3 sticks of chicken, and the rest is the meat with masala. And here is without the masala. Okay, so that's your Shinwari tikka, and the other masala tikka. The good thing about the Shinwari tikka is just salt, nothing else, and you get a very good taste. Okay, we put the grill on so we could get more seeks on the fire. So I just flipped the seeks. They're looking quite good. Because the meat here in the UK, you don't get a lot of fat on it. So once these are about to be done, what we will need to do is rub some oil on it, just to keep it a bit moist. So I have my fan onto it to keep the charcoal nice and hot.
I'm not going near barbecue after last.
That's all the meat now. The chicken is done. As you can see, it's coming out really good. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. You can clearly tell between the Shinwari tikka and the other normal tikka. You see, this is just salt and nothing else. No spices. So that's nearly done. As you can see, come out really good. So it's going to be served with these garlic and what are they? Garlic and coriander mini naans, you see. tried a piece of chop, and believe me, mashallah, it's really good. You should try the Shinwari tikka. All it is just meat with salt on it. That's all you need to do. Nothing else. Tastes amazing. It's really good. You can eat the whole sheep. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed watching the Shinwari tikka. Till next time, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.